everyone, it's Mary with Happy Pine Soap. It's been about a week since we made our beautiful column pour from last week. I have beveled some of the bars here as you see. They did develop soda ash, so I did have to wash some of the soda ash off. So the colors are not as vibrant right now because of the soda ash, but that disappears in the wash when you're using it in the shower or of course washing your hands. And then here is the other pour that we did, the One Pot Wonder, or the In the Pot Swirl, sorry. And so that's kind of what this design looks like a week later. It's quite pretty. And then this is one I've been actually using. So you can see when you use it, the colors are more vibrant and deep. It removes all that soda ash and the colors deepen. So yeah, this is kind of more true to life in terms of the colors. Some of these look a little faded, but that's only, again, the soda ash is not completely off of them. No doubt once I do the lather test, you'll kind of see what I mean. And then here's a sneak peek at the video that I'm going to put out tomorrow. So that's sitting on the counter and ready to go. So I'll be releasing this video tomorrow. But yeah, let's go ahead and do our lather test with these. All right, let's get our soap nice and wet. We'll put it aside, get some extra water so you can see the lather. Yeah, this one also has a pretty stable, good lather. Not as much as some of my other ones, but it's not bad. There we go. Just needed a bit more soap. Oop, yeah. So as you can see, this one is another successful recipe in terms of lather, in terms of how long it lasted. You see all the colors have popped back in. So yeah, that's the beautiful thing about these soaps with all the different colors, is the more you use them, the beautiful colors transform and change too as the soap layers go down. It's kind of fun actually to see the soap as it transforms as you use it. So, and then real quick, we have our other bar, same recipe, so it's going to work pretty much the same. It's going to also be nice and lathery. Yeah, so as you see, very good recipe, has good stable bubbles. And then this one with you see how pretty the colors are. So yeah, it looks good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. And as always, hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next soapy video. Take care, everyone.